going to show you how to use liquid bronzer as a foundation. Let's get started. I've been using this TATCHA SILKEN Pore Perfecting Sunscreen. I like this because it fills in my pores ever so slightly. It also gives me a little bit of sun coverage. I need a lip balm. I recently just added this to my routine because it gives a really nice glowy base to the skin, but it also provides a smidge of coverage. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. Add some of that in the areas where I want just a little bit more coverage, and then where I want a little bit more glow. I like to put this underneath my eyes as well, buffing brush, and I tap this into the skin. Then we take your liquid bronzer. Now I have been using the Drunk Elephant DEBRONZI Sunshine Serum. Now you're probably like, that isn't a liquid bronzer. But technically it is because it's straight brown. But it's also considered a serum, so that's why I've been loving it. A few alternatives that I've been loving. The Maybelline Bronze BB. This is a beautiful alternative. This also has SPF 25. L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion in the shade 904. You have just a straight up liquid bronzer. This is the one that I have. It's from NARS. It's in the shade Laguna. You can mix this in with a moisturizer and it'll give you the same effect. I'm going to take the Drunk Elephant DEBRONZI serum. I'm going to take a full pump. So this is how much that actually comes out. Directions say to mix it in with something, but I don't because I want the most amount of coverage that I can get. Now you're gonna be a little freaked out because it does come out as such a dark brown color, but just keep working it into your skin, bring it down the neck. I do go in with a concealer. The one that I've been loving right now is the First Aid Beauty Bendy Avocado Concealer. I got a shade that is closest to my skin tone, so this is in the shade 5. Also put this underneath my eye. I don't do any crazy highlighting underneath my eye anymore, just because I literally just want it to look like I'm not wearing makeup. For brows, I keep it super simple. I use the Glossier Boy Brow. It really just fills in the brows and makes them look super natural. Palette that I've been loving lately is this Hourglass Illumi Sheer Color Trio in Sunset. Put the bronzer on. Put the blush on. This is such a beautiful everyday peach kind of color. I put the highlight on, which is such a beautiful highlight. It literally looks like you're glowing from within. As far as eyeshadow goes, I usually just run my bronzer through the crease. And then also underneath my eyes. Pop some inner corner highlight in the shade Venus. It's just the darker nude. And I just pop that on. And then I am ready for the day.